I've shared many Jalu Pants tutorials, but I've had lots of questions about how to make them for different body sizes. So this time, I made a full tutorial to make your own size Jalu Pants, from pattern to finished pants. It takes a little time, but I'm sure you will make them again and again. I'm using about 1 yard of cotton fabric, but the amount you need will depend on your size. Fold the fabric along the grain and place your pattern pieces parallel to it. If you are new to the pattern making, watch this video first to learn how to make the pattern from scratch. If you have already made your pattern in your size, skip ahead to 618, or you can watch the full video using the link right there. Cut out the front and back pieces. Next, let's make the straps. The strap length will depend on your pattern. I usually add about 20 inches to my pattern. So, measure the length of your front and back pieces, multiply that by 2, and then add 20 inches. For my size, I needed to cut 6 pieces to make the straps. Finish the raw side edges with a serger, zigzag stitch, or simply use 2 rows of stitching. Place the front and back pieces right side together, starting about 2.5 inches down from the waist. Sew them together with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Sew the inseam as well. If you feel a single line of stitching isn't strong enough, sew another line right over the original stitch line for extra strength. Sew the seam allowance down flat against the shorts. This keeps it from getting in the way when you pull the straps through. Now, put the 2 legs pieces together with the right sides facing each other. Match the crochet seams carefully, making sure the back pieces are together and the front pieces are together. Sew them together with a 1/2 inch seam allowance. Again, if you feel a single line of stitching isn't strong enough, sew another line right over the original stitch line for extra strength. Now, let's finish the waistband casing. Fold 1/2 inch, then fold it over another 1 inch and stitch. I'm adding a label to the front, so it's easy to tell the front from the back when you put them on. You could also use a ribbon, a cute button, or anything you like. It's up to your imagination. Finish the hem with a 1/2 inch double fold. For the last step, extend the straps and thread them through. Of course, you can use elastic instead if that's more convenient for you. And now we are all done, truly done. Let's try them on and see how they look.